this is me and him.
Try to make paper aeroplane.
Well, you make paper aeroplane?
Yeah, make it.
Yeah, you are going to hold it like this.
Yeah.
You hold the camera for me like this, okay?
Okay.
No, like this. Just hold it like this, okay? Paper aeroplane. No, put it like this. Paper aeroplane is done like this. I don't know what is this, but I know. Baby, don't show mommy's nakedness, okay?
Okay.
No, show mommy, but show what mommy is doing. I don't know how to do this again. I think it's like this.
Yeah.
I'm getting it right.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I know that you fold it like this.
Yeah.
I know that you fold it like this.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah. You got it.
Baby, see the aeroplane here.
Paper aeroplane.
I tried.
Try.
I tried though. I tried. This boy, I've tried. Leave me. Baby, I was actually online.
Online?
Yeah.
Yes, actually online.
So my son has been asking me that he wants a YouTube channel because of one Ryan on YouTube. That I think the boy is Ryan your age. Ryan is older than you, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Baby. So did Super P here? Okay. I'm saying this. Thank you very much for the drugs, my love. Could you help me take it back?
Okay.
Could you go to your parlor, please?
Hey, cockroach.
Cockroach? Whoa, where is it? Cockroach, you are running. Instead of you to stay and fight a cockroach, this dog is running. Where's the cockroach? Where's the cockroach? Where? Under there?
Yes. You see it?
No, put on the lights. Let me see. Put on the lights here.
Jesus.
Where? Under there? Cockroach, this is my clean house.
Yeah. Cockroach in
Baby,
this
go.
house. Where?
Cockroach in this house?
Cockroach in this house. I saw it.
You saw it? You saw the cockroach?
Yes, it was in your bathroom. It went out. It went out to your bathroom.
I went out to the bathroom.
No, I said it went out your bathroom.
Went out from my bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is
Blessing.
No. I'm looking for the shelters.
Which shelter? Oh, is it that thing that you used to kill?
Yeah, that thing that kills rats.
Yeah.
I'm looking for it. They said there's cockroach. Oh. You should help me. Hey! See it! See it! They come! Baby, can't look for something for me to wear. Let's run out from this house. Cockroach, they fly, baby, they fly. Go and look for something for me to wear. Go, quick.
Wait, what?
Go and look for something for me to wear. Cockroach, fast. See, my son hates cockroach, but actually I saw a cockroach. There's a cockroach in this house, but it's a baby cockroach. That means the mother is here. bring me dress. She brought me only slippers. Am I going to run away from the house naked? Go and bring it now.
We're going outside.
We have to run out. Cockroach have invaded our house. This is a cockroach invasion. Yes. Yes. Hey. Yeah, thank you. I'm trying to, yeah. I'm actually treating it. It's really horrible. I've been using this to treat it. So if you know of anything I can use additional, oh, he got me dressed. He gave me dressed so I can wear. We run out. So if you have anything or you can recommend anything better than this for me, it's really killing me. Like, I don't know. It's just so horrible and so terrible. I think I got it from work. I went to my farm, and the worker, the person who works for me, had this horrible cough, and I had to walk in close proximity to sorry, I'm trying to put on my dress. I tried to walk in close proximity. See, well, English is not my thing. I walked close to the person, and somehow I got this horrible cough. So, Andre.
So you walk towards the sick person.
Nyquil. Okay. Use amoxicillin antibiotics.
Stand
Okay.
up. Mommy, stand up.
Baby, I don't have anything down here. I'm naked from here.
That's super.
Unfortunately, I don't smoke cigarette. So it can't be from cigarette. Not that just do I even smoke. So it can't even be from smoking, my darling. Yeah, I okay, yeah, I also heard about the bitter cola thing. I heard about it. I've tried, no, I think, yeah, the only reason why I'm trying this because I've been so busy. Normally what I use is the ginger and the lime fresh one, and I squeeze it myself. I'm very local. Like, I still drink this in dogoyaro till today. Like, I don't do panadol meds and all of that. I'm very, like, local village girl. That's why I turned a farmer anyways. So this is like the second time I'm having this, and that's because I've been very busy. I can't do my home remedy myself, the honey this is the first time I'm being home in over two months or thereabout. I mean, you know. So I've been on the road, so I had to take this. And why I actually went for this is because it's the most natural thing I saw on the shelf, and it's actually lemon and lime and ginger and all of those things. So yeah, thank you very guys for the recommendation. I will try. Yes, tom and cola, that worked for me when I was in Cameroon, so I'll try it again. Use it to okay, I'll just keep taking a picture of all of this. So thank you guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this live. Really, this live was not supposed to be a live. It was just me waking up to so much gratitude in my heart, to just thank God. Not just thank God, to thank you guys, everyone. You know, I am so appreciative of how you guys have been there for me. I see a lot of DMs and you guys are praying for me, and best believe I'm praying for you all right back. You know, so yeah, I just woke up and I just decided to let you guys see this beautiful face. Yeah, and see this little girl here, because pimples can only be girls, because pimples are stubborn. It cannot be a man. It's a girl. Yeah, so thank you guys so much. I didn't intend to keep you guys this long. I didn't even intend to even keep or anything. you know. But I'm just going to retouch what we touched. I came on live and we talked about a few things. I talked about your personal relationship with God. I talked about the fact that all sin is equal, because I took a meat from pot, and because you killed someone doesn't mean that my sin is bigger than yours, and doesn't mean that God is going to love you less. Oh, see my baby.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully